Right, very good evening. So here we go. This is an advert for a very small company that wishes to grow, and they are called ant&sons. They are based in the Manchester area. They are a painting and decorating company, and they can be contacted on 07368 316 191. So the reason why I'm giving them a shout out is because Nicola has asked me to do a little advert for them. So because they are based here in the United Kingdom in the Manchester area, here we go. Now the thing is this, right? All I ask is subscribe to #PaulGallant3675, and if I can promote your work, I'll do your work. So this is just a little thing to say. They are on Facebook. The picture is a white wall with a map of the world which is stretched out, and the countries are in black against the white background, and there are sash windows. So you got your design here, your sash windows are there, and I've just sent them over 1,000 people to go and have a word. So like I said I was going to do YouTube as well, and if you are in the Manchester area, I'm recommending ant&sons for all your painting and decorating of your home, or maybe you have a small business that needs some tidying up. Anyway, I thought I would tell you, and because they're UK based, that's why I'm telling you about it. So like I say, they're on Facebook. The advert is also going from Facebook to Instagram, so they'll be on there as well. And 07368 316 191 for you to ring them up to give them a job at basically painting and decorating your property. So thanks very much, and thanks for watching. Thank you.